You'll start to shift. He's got to believe me on this one, okay? Maybe you don't believe this stuff, or some aspects you're like, yes, I know this works, but is this really the thing that's going to help me get unstuck? It's like the same thing we talked about last week, right? Bob went into one of his clients' places. It was like this ink and whatever it was a printing press place, So it was a long time ago, and there was like ink things and whatever the business was exactly. I don't remember, but it's the client that he had, okay? And this client kept calling Bob and would never listen to anything that Bob said, even though he knew he was right. And Bob said, I'm not going to work with you anymore. I'm going to keep your money because I'm giving you the exact advice that you need, but you're not doing it, okay? And this client was like, well, sorry, I don't know. I don't know what to do, or whatever's happening. So Bob was going to fly out of the country and do some event that he was doing. And this guy calls and he says, Bob, I really need your help. But this business is not working. My personal life, everything's crap. He says, I'm only going to come to your place unless you listen to what I'm saying and you're going to do it. Or else I don't want to talk to you anymore. So Bob goes to his place and he sees that this place, it's a brick and mortar business, is a complete mess. There's ink all over the place. There's sheets of paper all over the place. Everything is a complete mess inside that business. And this guy's looking for the next tip and trick. He's looking for, how do I do this? Or how do I get more people into my business? Or how do I do this? And Bob says, clean your place. That's all I want you to do for the next couple days is make this place the most miraculous looking place that you could possibly think. Now, the guy's saying, there's clients that owe me money. There's all this stuff all over the place. I don't even know, how am that's not going to help me out. Bob says, listen, I told you to do, if I was going to come over here, you listen to what I say, because I know it works, and you do it. Just do it. Okay. Bob left, did his trip. It was like 3 days later. Came back to this business, and the business was sparkling. It was perfect. Everything was clean. Everything was put away. Everything was so good. And Bob walks up to the guy, and the guy's like all cheerful. He had a different energy about him. He was happy, and this was 3 days later. And customers came in and paid him money. He had a record business during these couple of days or whatever was happening. And Bob says, how's it going? He's like, I don't know. It just things kicked into gear. And he's like, I don't even know why this happened. He said, you know why this happened. We went through this. This is the exact thing that you need to do. And he says, oh, yeah, but I don't really think cleaning my place had anything to do with it. So why I said that little story is, know this works. Works every time. If you are stuck, follow these 3 steps, and I guarantee you with certainty over the next 4 days, even the next 24 to 48 hours, you will feel dramatically different. But you got to do something dramatically different. You got to do that uncomfortable action, and you'll feel the stir. You'll feel the difference because your energy is different. Okay, it's so good. Now I'm deliberately taking, again, some time on the slide here because we're pretty much wrapping up. So think about your uncomfortable action that you're going to put your word to. Walter said, changing up your meal plan and workout style. Love it. Very uncomfortable. Changing my meal plan, man. You have to get used to it. It's uncomfortable. Lee set a date for the completion of your site. Love it. That's it. We're going to clean my place, my desk and office. Make sure it's miraculous. Now, when I look around in my place, it's always tip-top clean. However, actually, right now, there's some things that are not put back. That's because I'm actually in a good little moving phase and things. So, yeah, clean your place and get your stuff completely looking good and sound, unless you're in the process of lifting up and taking off to wherever you're going to get to. Okay, clean it up. Give the stuff away. If your place is crowded, get rid of it all. Get rid of it. You don't need it. You will see miraculous changes this week. Happens every time. All right. Susan said, made a trip to Goodwill with the old desk. Love it. Gave your stuff away. You don't need to sell it. Just give it away. Does anyone have any questions? Need any help with this? Everyone got it? Good to go? Energized, awake, alive, jumping up and down?